Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. This is quick brief about me. I am Satya with all these credentials. Great. Okay. So guys, this GATE 2024 fundamental series started for 2024 GATE aspirants for electrical, electronics, instrumentation and computer science branches. For our computer science aspirants, the sessions would happen at 9 p.m. So do attend regularly and get the most benefit out of it. In the last class, we have discussed about the structure of a C program and what does C library means, different standard header files, how to include them, what is a variable, how to print output, and what are different data types in C. And as per yesterday, just I would like to revise again about this format specifiers. Please see, for character %C, for int %I, for unsigned int %U, for long LD, long integer, for unsigned long LU, for float %F, for double %LF. Please remember these format specifiers because they will be useful in today's session. And what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn about scanf function, printf function, printing integers, printing characters and printing real numbers. Okay, so why late? Let us get into the session, everybody. First of all, how we can give input values for the variable. We would like to give some value for the variable. That is what input. How you can give values can be given as input to the variable in two ways. Values can be given as input to variables either before compilation or after compilation. Before you compile, you may give the input, or after compile, you may give the input. Before compilation means while writing the program, you may give the input, or after compilation means while execution, because that is what the sequence know. We will write the code, compile, and then run or execute. So before compilation or after compilation, you may give the input in either. Giving input before compilation is called static input. Before compilation means while writing the program, if you want to give the input, that input we call as static input, because static means fixed. So once you give some value, that value only will be there for that variable until unless you change it. And while execution, whatever the input you call as what? Dynamic input. Because every time you execute, you may give different values. Okay. So how you give the static input? Look at this example. Here I have created one variable I and given the value while writing the program. While writing the program only I have given the value. This is called static input. Similarly, for character J, I have given some character as hash as input. For float K, I have given some 3.147 as input. For long float or double, long float means what? Double, I have given some value as input. So when I have given, while writing the program only, I have given the input. I have given assigned value. This is what we say static input. And I would like to print these values. How I print? I is integer. So what is the format specifier? %D. J is character. What is the format specifier? %C. K is float. So %F. L is double or long float. So LF, long float. So I have used the format specifiers. So what I would be getting? I equal to 7, J equal to, hash, whatever the character you give, K equal to 3.14700. Why 000 we are getting? Because float supports 6-digit precision, and long float, whatever the value you give, that is displayed. Okay. So let us see whether we are getting the same or not. I think my browser is visible for everybody. So I am opening some online C compiler. I have opened online compiler. Is my browser visible, guys? Everybody, please respond. Is my browser visible? Okay. So here I have opened some online compiler. You can open any online compiler. So I am creating int I is equal to some 7, char j is equal to, you can give some character. How you give character? In the single quotation, I am giving $, float, k is equal to, you give some real number 3.14, double, some L is equal to, you can give 123.4567. Now I would like to print them. So printf percentile I is equal to percentile D, okay, comma j is equal to %C, comma k equal to %F, comma L equal to %LF. So in these format specifiers place what I want? I comma j comma k comma L, close the bracket, semicolon. So now I would like to run this program. So it is telling semicolon missing. Okay, I have kept semicolon. See the output. Is the output visible for everyone? Is the output visible? Is the output visible? So I is equal to 7, j equal to $, k equal to 3.1440 because 6-digit precision, and L is equal to 123.456700 because 6-digit precision. Okay, right. Now let us go back to our discussion. So this is how I give static input. Now I would like to give dynamic input. Dynamic input means at runtime I would like to give. So to give input at runtime, a predefined function means which is already existing in the library. What is that? Scanf is used. What is that function name? Scanf. Here F means formatted data. So for only printf and scanf you have this F at last. No other function has it. So here f doesn't mean function, f means formatted data. Printf and scanf are called formatted functions. For that purpose, that is written as printf scanf. Okay. Amarendra Reddy, good question. When you are writing a program, from which line the execution to start? For the compiler to understand from where I should start the execution, that main we are writing. Main is indicating the starting point for execution. Okay? Okay, dear? Right. Now you look at the syntax of scanf. How you write scanf? You write scanf in small letters, in the double quotation, open bracket, in the double quotation, what you should write? Format specifier, close the quotation, comma. Please observe, you have to write comma and variable. Here and is indicating address of. What this and specifies? Address of. So, what is the format specifier we use for integers? Either %d or %i. For characters, %c. For float, %f. For a double, %lf. You look at the example. Int x. I have created one variable x as integer and I would like to give the input at runtime. See, I have not given the input at the time of writing program. Just I have created and left. So int x created. Scanf %d. Why I have used d? Because it is integer. In this place of format specifier, whatever the value you give, that will be stored. Where? In the address of x. And x is telling address of x. So guys, whenever you write int x, what happens? For x, memory gets allocated. Memory got allocated for x. How much? 4 bytes. And suppose you are giving entering value 235, you are typing and hit enter key. So 235 store in the address of x, means wherever the memory allocated, at that address this 235 gets stored. Okay. Amarendra Reddy, did you understand better? To indicate the starting point for executing the program, main function is written. Hi Ishwar, hi Jayanti, Pavitra, Dr. Science, Rudraksh, Puvarasana, Deependra, Prashant Raj, superb. Okay, so let us see parallelly how it works. Okay. So here I am doing what? I am not giving the value for I now. J also. See, I have deleted the values K and L. Okay. I have deleted the values. Now, before I print, what I want to do, I would like to give input at runtime. So what I am doing? Scanf, open parenthesis, double quote. For first I would like to give. I is what? Integer. So %d. Okay, %d. And J is what? Character. So %c. Then K is what? Float. %f. Then L is what? Long float. LF, comma, address of I, address of J, address of K, address of L. Okay, and then I have printed them. Now if I run the program, compilation failed because I have not kept the semicolon after scanf. Okay, I have kept the semicolon. Run. See, whenever I run, please observe this. The cursor is blinking. I hide myself for a while. I hide myself. See, cursor is blinking here, dear friends. Can you see that? Cursor is blinking, isn't it? So that means it is waiting for our input. It is waiting for our input. Let's say I would like to give 23 as my first input. So this will be taken for I. Enter. I would like to give @ as my input for the character. Enter. I would like to give 12.789 for float. Enter. I would like to give 123.5689 for double. Enter. So it has took all the inputs, and you see what is the output you are getting. I equal to 23 means what input I have given, that only. J equal to @ K equal to 12.789 because 6-digit fraction, and L equal to 123.568900. Can you all see this? Can you all see this, dear friends? Please respond. Can you all see this? Good, good. Now, let us understand how we write the, how we print the output. Okay? Yes, of course, printf we used for, yeah, here also I have given one example. I have given int I, char j, float k, double L, enter values of I, j, k, L, and then I am using scanf to take the inputs, and to verify whether it has took the input or not, I have printed them. Just now we have practiced it. Now, how we print the output? Yesterday I have already said, using printf. To print output when a program is executed, what we use? Printf function is used. Printf function. So printf is a predefined function available in stdio.h, conio.h, stdlib.h. In these header files, this printf detail is available. So compiler will refer these header files. Some compilers by default include printf definition. How we write printf? Printf, some message followed by format specifier. For printf, there is no need to use address of symbol, remember. Okay. So guys, you have to habituate syntax. Aadat karna padta. Writing printf, writing scanf. Okay. Now one important point you please understand. Scanf function accept input at runtime, and once it accept, it return how many values accepted as return value. It accept input, how many values it accepted, that it return. To whom? To main function. To the main function. Similarly, printf function print output, and it also return number of characters processed. Please understand the difference between scanf and printf. Scanf will not count how many character input you have given, how many digit input you have given. It just count for how many variables you have given the input, and that it will give as the return value to the main function. But printf will count how many digit, how many character output it is printed and returned to main function. Example, you see, I have created I, J, K. J equal to scanf %d, comma and I. Suppose I am giving 234 as input. What input I am giving? 234 for I. For I. How many variables input I have given? For how many variables I have given the input? For one variable. For I have given. So, scanf accept this 234, store in the address of I and return how many inputs it taken? One input for one variable, that to main assign that one to the LHS. What is LHS? J. So what would be J? 1. Now you see, K equal to printf, I equal to %d. So how it will print? I is equal to, in the place of %d what comes? I value come, dear friends. In the place of format specifier, in the same order values come. What is I value? 234. Now you count how many characters it processed. I, 1 character, equal to 2. Number 2, 3rd character. Number 3, 4th character. Number 4, 5th character. So total 5 characters it processed. 5 characters it printed. So it returned 5 to the main assign that 5 to K. So when you print J equal to K equal to, what do you get as output? I equal to 234, J equal to 1, K value 5. Let us execute and see. Let us execute and see it. Okay, why late? Int I, comma J, comma K. Okay, I is equal to scanf. Okay, already scanf is there. Let me take that. Scanf %d, comma and I. Now J equal to printf, I equal to %d, comma I. And then I would like to print, sorry, J is equal to scanf, K is equal to printf. Now I would like to print what? J is equal to %d, comma K is equal to %d, comma J, comma K, semicolon, and before it prints I want new line. Okay, so run the code. Can you all see? Can you all see the cursor blinking here? Yes. So I am giving 234 as my input, 234 as my input. Look at this. Same output you got, what we have predicted, what I have shown. 234 I have given the input. So it is printing I is equal to 234, J equal to 1, K equal to 5. Can you see this? Everybody give some response. You can see the output. So scanf count for how many variables it is taking the input. Printf count how many characters it is printing. So that is the difference. Okay. So now let me add one more. Char ch I am adding. Char ch I am adding. So j is equal to scanf percentile d percentile c and I comma and ch. Okay. Now you see what would be j value, dear friends. So it is asking the input. I am giving 234. See, after giving 234 also cursor is blinking. Why? Now I am supposed to give two inputs. So let's say I have given some dollar symbol as my input now. Now what is the j value? What is the j value? 2. Why 2 I am getting? Because scanf accepted two variables input. One for I it has taken, another for ch it has taken. Am I clear? Am I clear? Everybody? Everybody please respond. Pavitra, Pratyusha, Ishwar Vineet. Ishwar Vineet, don't be lazy. Please make a note of whatever we are discussing in the class. That would be the study notes for you. Jayanti, Amarendra, Dr. Science, Rudraksh, Puvarasan, everybody. Okay, okay. Now I want everybody to give what would be printed. Okay. So I am writing I is equal to I int I comma j comma k. I is equal to printf hello backslash n. J is equal to printf hi backslash n. K equal to printf I equal to %d comma j equal to %d comma I comma j. Printf %d k equal to %d comma k. Okay. Backslash n I have given. Backslash n is for new line. So you tell me what would be output. What would be the output, dear friends? If you want, I can display it on the PPT first. This is what I have typed. This is what I have typed. So I want everybody to print, to tell me what would be the output. I is equal to printf hello. So HELLO backslash n is for the new line. So total how many characters it is processing? Total how many characters it is processing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backslash n is called one character. This is considered as one character. New line character we call it as. So total 6 characters it is processing. So what would be I value? 6. So I would be 6. J is equal to printf hi. So what will be printed? HAI backslash n, new line. So total how many this second printf is processing? HAI backslash n together is one character. So total 4 characters it is processing. So what would be J value? 4. And K equal to printf backslash n, one character, I equal to, in the place of percentile D what I get? I value. What is I value? 6, comma is 1. Comma is 1. So fifth character J 6 equal to 7 percentile D. In the place of second percentile D, J value I get. What is J value? 4. So what I will get? I equal to 6, comma J equal to 4. Okay, let me remove this. Let me remove this backslash n in the K. In the K equal to printf statement, I am removing backslash n. Okay. So you tell me now, what would be printed? Count I equal to 6, comma J equal to 4. So total 7 characters it processed. So K would be 7. So what do you get? This would be the output. Hello, hi, I equal to 6, J equal to 4, K equal to 7. K equal to 7. Ishwar, let us check it. Let us check it. In the K, I have removed. Okay. I am running the program. See. Hello. Okay. I think I am hiding the screen. All right. Hello. Hi. I equal to 6, J equal to 4, K equal to 7. Is it not what we have guessed? What we have predicted? Hello, hi, I equal to 6, J equal to 4, K equal to 7. That only we got. Hello, hi, I equal to 6, J equal to 4, K equal to 7. Both are same? Yes or no? Understood everyone? Right. right. Now let us write a fresh program. Int x comma y, int x comma y. Now y is equal to scanf percentile d comma and x. Okay, I would like to print y value. I would like to print y value as well as x value. So x is equal to percentile d comma space y is equal to percentile d comma x comma y. Okay, so I am running this program. It is asking the input. Screen is not clear. Okay, check now. Now it is clear. Okay, so let us suppose I am giving 25 as my input. 25 as my input. So what would be printed? X is equal to 25, y is equal to 1. Why? Because I have given one variable input. Clear? Okay. Now please everybody, please look at this carefully. I am now printing integers in a different way. Int x is equal to, let's say, what is the value I am giving is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. X is equal to percent d comma x. X is equal to percent o comma x. X is equal to percent x comma x. Okay, let me use the name as a, guys, just to avoid confusion. A is equal to just I have changed the variable name as a. I am using different format specifiers. Please look at this. A equal to percent d, a equal to percent o, a equal to percent x. Okay, and also I am printing it as printf x is equal to 10d. What I have written? 10d. And also I am writing minus 10d. And I am also writing it as percentile f, and I am writing it as percent c. So what would be the output? Let us guess. What would be printed? Everybody, first you give your guess. Okay, okay. Let's see. I have given this a equal to 123. Print a equal to %d comma a. So d stands for here what? Decimal integer. D stands for what? Decimal integer. By default, the number is the value, the number is treated as decimal only. So you will be getting it as 123 only. And I am writing a equal to %o. Here o means octal integer. So convert decimal to octal. 123 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 fives are 43. 8 ones are 8. 7. So you would be getting 173 when you write a equal to percentile o. And when you write %x, x will give you hexadecimal value. Hexadecimal integer means 123 equivalent hexadecimal. So 16 goes how many times? 7 times. 11. So this is 7b. A is equal to 7b. You will get, and x is equal to %10d. Then what you will get? That's what a is equal to, okay. A equal to 10 indicates the output should be displayed in 10 characters space. And by default the value will be right justified. That means towards right you will get the value. You don't see this dash. Just for your idea I am giving these blank symbols. You just see the space. And when I write -10d, 10 indicates the output should be displayed with 10 characters space, minus that negative sign indicates left justification. Left justification. And %f indicates float. In the form of float, I want this a to be displayed. This a to be displayed. So float a is equal to, so now what I will get? 123.00000000. And when I write %c, what I get? It's equivalent ASCII character. I also don't know what is that equivalent ASCII character. That we will see directly while executing. So what is the output, guys, we get? Our prediction is a equal to 123, a equal to 173, a equal to 7b, a equal to with 10 spaces, 7 spaces, then 123, a equal to 123, then you will have space, and a equal to 123.6 zeros and A equal to ASCII character. This is what our prediction. Let's see whether we get the same or not. Let me change. Okay, now I am compiling it. Okay, so see what is the output I am getting. A equal to 123. Can you all see this output, dear friends? Can you all see this output? I am getting the warning because you have given it as integer but used F as the format specifier. So I got warning. Though you get warning, no problem, execution happened. Can you all see this output, dear friends? A equal to 123, A equal to 173, A equal to 7B, A equal to, you see this space. Before 123 you got space, and A equal to 123 you see space after. So right justification, left justification, and A equal to 0.0000. So this is what we are getting. You have given integer but you are printing it as a float, and A equal to some ASCII character, that is left curly brace we got. Now why I am not getting for float? For all I am getting. So for float, into to float, when you want, you have to do typecasting explicitly. So I am writing float like this. Now you get the output, you look at it. Now you see the output, 123 with 6 zeros you got. Earlier why I did not get? Integer to float will not happen automatically. That promotion will not happen automatically. So I have typecasted. Sir, how to do typecasting? We will see. We will see. Okay? We will learn it later. Can you all look at this output? Please respond. Mohan, believe in karma. Ishwar, Madan, Rudraksh, Ishwar Vineet, Pratyusha, Pavitra, Balamurgan, Jayanti, Amarendra. Can you all see this output? Guru Vignesh. Very good. Very good. So guys, why you are waiting? Just start coding, dear friends. Start coding. Do mistakes. Read the mistake. Why this is the mistake? What is the error? Learn from the mistakes. Okay? Let us conclude for today. We will be continuing our practice. Practice never stop. Practice has only comma, no full stop. So it will continue on Thursday. Tomorrow, we know it's a festival time, so tomorrow is off for you, for our class, our series. We will again meet on Thursday at same time, and we will practice C tokens. Guys, I will make you practice C tokens definitely in a new manner. I am sure you might have never practiced C tokens. You might have practiced operators, but I will make you practice identifiers, keywords, strings also. Okay? So let us meet on Thursday. Till then, I wish you all a happy coding and happy Holi. So wish you all enjoy the festival of colors. Take care. See you in the next session. And this is my Telegram group link and the Instagram group link. If you have not joined yet, do join to connect with me later the class. Thank you so much for joining. Keep liking the session. Keep sharing the session, guys. Guys, if this C programming series, you feel like, yes, by attending these classes, we can learn something. Please do refer your friends also. Please refer to your friends also. You might be studying in the engineering colleges. Tell them this so and so series is going on. Join live. Learn. Okay? So more students, if they come, it would be motivation even for me also. It would be motivation for you also to learn. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining the session. See you in the next session, that is on Thursday 9 p.m. sharp. Till then, happy Holi to one and all again. Take care. Good night. Bye-bye.